Hi friends, this is Katherine Burik with the Interview Doctor, here with a question that comes up fairly frequently. Here's the question. Everyone has a different opinion about my resume, asking me to make major changes. Who should I trust? Does it make a difference? This is true. Everyone has a different opinion about the way a resume should look. Everyone. A client just asked me that the other day. I spent some hours revising his resume in conjunction with him, and he sent it off to a recruiter who said, "Oh my God, that's a terrible resume." And he was rightly confused about whether or not it was good or not. And I made a couple of points to him that I wanted to share with you. First of all, keep in mind, number one, keep in mind that the resume readers have a notoriously short attention span. It is true that you get about 6 seconds in which for someone to make an evaluation of your resume. So got to make everything concise and clear. You want to use bullets. Bullets help organize your thoughts. This is point number 2. Use bullets. Bullets make everything easier to read. So make bullets and sub-bullets where necessary so that people can identify the major points that you're making. Number 3, use accomplishments. Accomplishments will, especially with numbers, tell a story. They make a resume reader, want to say, really, how'd you do that? So use accomplishments, particularly with dollars and percentages, so that people will be able to evaluate the strength of your accomplishment. Number 4, keep it to 2 pages or less. Because people have a notoriously long attention span, you want to make sure that you're short and sweet. Number 5, use a table at the top with bullets to organize keywords and major accomplishments up at the top, so that if the person only read the first half of the resume, the top half of the resume, they would have a good idea of what you want. Number 6, have a headline. You got to have a headline. Don't start your resume where it says professional experience or, no. Professional experience would apply to the work experience portion, but right under your contact information, make sure it says what you want. Supply chain director, human resource executive, whatever it is that you want, put it up there, because the reader will translate everything they read in your resume, whatever they read, and they will confirm or deny whether the headline is correct. Right? So these are some of the 6 points that are really important. Beyond that, a resume should reflect you and your personal brand. It can have colors. It can have interesting bullets. It can have a different way of organizing the information in blocks or in sections with highlighting and with shading. That's the question of art. Everyone will have an opinion on that. You must be strong and confident in the materials that you're putting out there. It should reflect your personal brand. If you feel confident, then when someone critiques your resume and says, "Oh my gosh, it's terrible," you'll be able to say, "I appreciate your feedback, but I really like the way it looks." I want you to feel that confident. For more information about resumes, please see the Interview Doctor's ebook about 5 resume mistakes. This is kind of bring in a few more issues that you might find interesting. So until next time, this is Katherine Burik. I'll come back to you with some more questions and maybe some answers. See you. Be safe.